So you want to change your Terraria server settings. We're going to show you the fastest and simplest way to do that with Pine hosting. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your startup tab on your panel. Once you're here, the first thing you will see is your startup command. This is basically what you will translate to your server that you want in-game. To configure this, all you need to do is change your settings in these variables here. As you can see, there's a bunch of things you can change, like your server type, if you want a vanilla or a modded server with tModLoader. You can also change your server's version. Latest obviously stands for the latest and most recent version that the game uses. Then here you can change your world name or change the name to create a new world. Then here you can change your world size. Just click on the drop down menu and select from all the available sizes. On the max player section, you can just configure how many players you want simultaneously to be on your server. And here you can completely limit who has access by setting up a password. You can also leave it empty if you don't want a password. Next thing, here you can set the difficulty of your server. If you just click on the drop down menu, there's a bunch of options you can choose from. And finally, here you can set up the MOTD of your server, which stands for message of the day. And on this last section here, you can change the language of your server to any of the languages available. And that's how you can edit your server settings fast and simple with Pine hosting. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.